Hi, welcome to the Truth in the News. I'm Bob Gibbs and with the Real Estate Market Watch. And what a week we've had. This is August 6th, 2011, and it's just been one of those weeks where you wonder what's going on. I mean, we had the federal government finally decided to raise the debt ceiling. There was a bunch of questions about, what would be done with budget cuts and would there be increases in taxes and everyone was waiting for Monday to figure out what was going on. Well, it turns out no one knows yet. There's a committee that's been put together to kind of look at these things and see if they come up with a real budget and a plan by the end of the year. More of the same. Other news this week was very interesting. Right after that, the Dow drops 500 points and goes up, it goes down again. We had Standard & Poor's lower the credit rating for the United States, which has caused a lot of people to be concerned. And then we have good old China telling us that the good old days of borrowing are over. So, they're our biggest person for investing in the United States, and they're kind of sick of the way we're spending. But all that, you're kind of going, okay, what's going on? What's going to happen? This is very scary. Well, let me share something with you. The news and the way it's reported, it can be very daunting and actually scary. That's the right word for it. But I'm going to share some stuff with you that should give you some hope, and it certainly is encouraging to me. So let me just give you an idea here. These are some of the recent market statistics, and this is for all of Contra Costa County. I have Alameda as well, but I'll share Contra Costa first. And this is for single-family detached homes, all sales. I didn't try to skew any data to make it look better. But if you take a look at this is what's going on with the sales prices in Contra Costa County. Sure, we're down a little bit from last year, but that doesn't look to me like people are about ready to jump off a building. Another statistic here is number of sold properties. Again, going up, a little drop there in July, but in general trending up, so people are buying things. Under contract properties, that means these are homes that are actually pending and they haven't closed yet. So we don't know. I mean, prices may be up higher than they were last year at this point. So, and the last one here is actually the amount of inventory in the market. You can see what's going on. All the homes that are coming on are getting sucked up pretty quick. So, what that tells me for Contra Costa is that it's a fairly strong market in spite of all the news and what's going on in Washington and actually around the world with the economy. Alameda, it's not as dramatic, but it's pretty flat as I expected this year to be. And with this is sales prices. This is the number of properties sold by month, pretty flat. But it's not going down, falling off a cliff, everything that's being reported. These are the number of under contract or pending sales. Actually, they're up higher than last year, substantially higher actually. So there's a lot of sales going on. And you can see inventory is also down in Alameda as well. So what does all this mean? In spite of what's going on in Washington, in spite of all the dour economic news that's being reported in the media, in spite of all the onslaught of negative stuff that's hitting, American people just are so resilient that they just move on with their business. It's very encouraging to me to see this type of behavior and activity by the people who live in this great country of ours. And so my message is that in spite of what you're seeing in the media, you need to pay attention to it. I mean, a lot of it will affect us long term, but as has gone on in history in this country, we endure and we continue to move forward and kind of put all the drama behind us and get the job done. And people are doing that now. People are buying and selling homes, doing their part to keep the economy moving, and God bless you for it. And I just think that this is going to remain this way unless something absolutely catastrophic happens. I think we're going to be pretty flat for the next couple of years. And I think it's the people of this country that are going to pull us out of the recession. It's not the policies that the politicians make. So a little bit of soapbox politician myself there, but I just wanted to share that message with you, let you know what's going on in the markets. They seem very stable. Nothing earth-shattering. In fact, prices are going up. and we're seeing sales go up. So all in all, pretty strong market. It's always good to stay informed with what's going on, but you have to really take it with a grain of salt and realize that some of the reporting isn't really taking into account the good things that are happening. They just kind of report on the bad things. So with that, please, as always, give us a call or an email with any questions or concerns. And as always, we're here to help you realize your real estate goals and dreams. Go out and make it a great day. Bye.